We're here in Collegetown Court on the 3rd floor at the south end of the hallway. We're going to go into this apartment on our right, which is apartment number 310. This is a studio apartment, so let's go on in and take a look. You can see we've got the kitchen right here as we enter. There's that refrigerator. You can see the microwave, the sink, the cabinets and drawers, and there's a stove and oven here at the end. So that's the same setup that we'll find in our kitchens here in Collegetown Court. Right across from us is the closet. I like the closet in this number 10 layout apartment. It is the larger size closet that we'll see in the studios here. This is the same closet that you'll see directly across the hall from us in the number 2 style apartment. 2s and 10s are mirror image apartments. The number 10, which is what we're in, faces to the west. Number 2 faces to the east. As we go into the apartment, let's take a look. We want to see, let's go in the bathroom next. This one also has another nice feature. The bathroom has a little more floor space than we've seen in the other studio apartments here in this building. So we have that same tub shower with the sliding door, the vanity, which does open underneath, the toilet and the medicine cabinet. But you can see over, especially between the toilet and the left wall, there's more floor space here in this apartment, in this number 10 style. Again, it will be the same in number 2 across the hall from us. Here in the rest of the apartment, we'll always have those furnishings of the dining table and chair, a full-size bed, a desk and chair, a dresser, and a bookshelf. Of course, you may move the items around wherever you like within the apartment. So we are in a west-facing apartment. We are right in the heart of Collegetown, so we are surrounded by buildings, so we definitely have buildings when we look out the window. But as you get closer, you can see we do have some sky outside that is looking towards the intersection of College Ave and Dryden Road. That general direction is southwest over there. So that's a look at the studio apartment number 310. We have this layout of apartment on floors 3, 4, and 5 here in this 5-floor elevator building at 208 Dryden Road. We're at Collegetown Court. We're just steps from the intersection of College Ave and Dryden Road, where we are just 1 block from campus.